Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys how I harvest, I guess let's call it harvest, succulents from rocks. So in this area I like to throw a bunch of leaves, right? And I need to clean this area because I'm planning on moving something over here. And that means that once I move the table over here, I won't be getting any sun. So that means that these leaves probably won't grow as well as I would want them to. So I'm gonna have to move all the leaves, but I also can pick up plants that are ready. That's really small, but I do have bigger ones. I'll show you. Look at this one. That one. Look at this one here. It's stuck a little bit on the rock there. See what happens with the stem? It kind of curves. Doesn't know where to go because, you know, the rock's not deep. So that one. Look, there's another one over here. Look at that one. Look at this one. Look at these right here. Look, a little cluster. See that? It's a little cluster. Look. I think this is either Sorrento or California Sunset. It's hard to tell right now. But look at this one. Look at that. See? On the rocks. So can succulent grow on rocks? Sure. They just won't get big because they just don't have a lot of room to grow. See, this one is barely making it. It attached itself to a little piece of rock there, but it hasn't been raining either. See, look, there's one over here. This one's not attached yet. I'm still hanging on the leaf. I'm just looking for the big ones for now to show you guys. So many of them that I need to get out. Let's see what else I can find on the other side. These, I can tell you, probably been here over a year because I just never pulled them out. I showed you guys this a long time ago and I never pulled them out. Now they can get bigger though. If I put them in soil, they'll grow bigger. But yeah, there's a bunch of plants that I can probably look for on my rocks of leaves that I throw. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool. Anyways guys, that's what I want to share with you guys. Hope you guys, I hope this gives you ideas. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye guys.